Model, 2013 Iveco Daily 35C13H 1900 with B3950 camper crew cab needs clutch 97k miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 97,933. MOT, the 14th of July 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AE34810. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The clutch pedal is stiff and makes a noise, will need the clutch replacing. Engine is brilliant and sound perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.